Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a veed IO account for free. So if you want to go ahead and use veed to do whatever you want, guys, you can easily get started for free, create a free account and start working with it. So you want to simply open up your browser and type in veed.io and hit enter. You'll be taken over to their website here, and from here, guys, you want to simply click the option that says start for free, right? And here it says no credit card required, right? Very easy. You can scroll on to see what the website is about, what it offers: video editing, AI, avatar, recording. Uh, One of the things that is popular for as well is the subtitle generation and so forth. So it's a really cool and popular website and a really good AI platform to basically use. Now, all you have to do, just simply choose the option here in the upper right hand side that say start for free. You will get a pop-up. You can sign up with multiple different accounts. Here you will see that you can quickly sign up with your Gmail account, Apple account, or even Microsoft account as well. Or if you have your work email, you can easily use it as well. So I'm going to use a Gmail as an example here and just simple sign in with that Gmail account and click and continue. Here it's currently asking me to confirm my email, so I'm going to simply go to my email here real quick, and you will see that you receive a code. Now, in case you don't find that email under your inbox, you might want to check under updates, or you'll be able to find it. And as you can see here, I have the code here. So just simply copy that code and go back to the account and just press Control V to enter it. And it's going to take me right in. So here you want to get started. So it's going to ask you for a name. I'm going to say next, continue. It's personal or work. You can choose that as well. You want to choose options here. Just basically go through the process, how you would like to use it and add friends and so forth. So I'm going to say educate. From here, I'm going to choose, let's say, on a one-time project as an example. I would say for social media. And I'm going to choose, for example, YouTube, and click and continue. Then here you can choose the option to opt in here, maybe later, and that's it. You're in, guys. Very easy and very simple. So once you're inside the Veed account, you can do multiple things: create a new project, you can work with clips, dubbing, you can do AI text to video, you can create an avatar for yourself, slides to video. You have an AI section, so here at the top you can see AI apps, AI edits, and templates that you can easily get started. If you click any templates and you're not seeing here, you can easily click templates on the left hand side and you can see all of those templates, right? But the templates here, you can even create your own templates, right? You can even do record. It also have even a recorder, but as I said, one of the most popular things is the generating subtitles and slide to video and all of those stuff. So you can do quite a lot with the platform as well. Now if you want to learn more about how to use the account, guys, let me know. I'll be more than happy to create multiple videos showing you how to use veed.io to do many things. Very easy and very simple. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.